people who are not in the micro containment zone, today they can go out for work. कामाक गेल्यावूय लोक खूप जाण गेले. It is a big relief to the people. We are thankful to the government. We are thankful to the collector for taking this important decision. Our MLA also has pushed a lot for this. Now today what has happened is we've had a medical camp. Medical camp केले कोणाक लागून आता जायते लोक कामाक वयताय. लोक तेमकां अरे बाबा are you medically fit or no? There is that fear in the minds of people. So in order to clear that fear, today we are having a checkup for all these people, whether they have the COVID symptoms or no. And the government, the health authorities from Chikalim Hospital, they are giving them a certificate after checking whether they are proper or no. And so far, I mean, we were there in the morning, and there's a lot of people coming in for this thing because everybody is in need of jobs. Today their life has to come back on track, and we all have to support them on that.
Sir, अशा ऐकून येता की कंटेनमेंट झोन will be open on 20th August.
See, as per the government rules, as per the MHA guidelines in place, it is 14 days after the last case is solved. That was what was explained to us yesterday by the collector, and I mean everybody would be aware of that. Now we had the last case in Mangor containment zone. That was, I think, on 27th of July, which is already solved. I mean, so at the moment there are no positive cases in Mangor. Hopefully that period would get over by 19th of August. So 20th, we are all hopeful that there are no more cases, which we are quite confident. There are no cases in Mangor as of today happening in the containment area, and 20th should be a date where we should have the roads also open and things moving smoothly if all goes well.
हांव शिवकुमार, हांव मांगराचो आनी हिंगा त्रास आतां 2 म्हयने जाले भरपूर जालो आसा सगळें आनी भरपूर म्हळ्यार इतले त्रास काडला लोकांनी. तेंकोडे आतां जेवपाक खावपाक राशन कांय नासलें. एक्चुली राशन दिताले, रायस दाळ ते दिताले आनी ते पुरड नासलो लोकांक कळ्ळें. आनी हांव म्हणटा अशे परिस्थिती लोकांचे हिंगा केला. दुसरे स्लम एरियान अशें करपाक दिनाकाय. तुमी कोण आसा ते गव्हर्मेंट जावं थिंगाचे लोक स्लम एरियाचे करपाक दिनाकाय. भरपूर त्रास काडला. इतलेंच हांव म्हणटा.
तुमकां मंगूरकारांक खुशेची गजाल आसा जे कंटेनमेंट झोन आहा ते 3 तरेन मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट केल्ले आसा आनी गेट ओपन केल्लेली आसा. आयज तुमकां सगळ्यांक दिसता आमचे फाटल्यान सगळे जे मंगूर रहिवासी आसा तांकां हांगा एक गव्हर्मेंट थ्रू मेडिकल आमी सर्टिफिकेट दिता. परत एक टेस्ट करता तांकां आनी तांकां सर्टिफिकेट दिता. ज्या कारणान ती सर्टिफिकेट घेवन तांकां कंटेनमेंट झोनांसून भायर सरोंक गावतले. तेंचें कितें काम आहा जाल्यार खंयचो दे कॅन शो दॅट सर्टिफिकेट टू एनी खंयच्या कामाक आसता पळय तें दाखोवपाक गावतली. एक बरी गजाल आसा. हांव चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाचे आनी आमचे चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत तसोच आमचो वास्कोचो आमदार कालू सालवेदार यांनी इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतल्या आणि मंगळूरकर एक खरे तरी रिलीफ दिलेला आसा.
हाँ, मेरा नाम रेशमा खान है. मैं मंगूर में ही रहती हूँ. फिलहाल आज हमारे कंटेनमेंट जोन निकाल दिया गया है, तो चेकिंग चल रही है. यहाँ पे उनकी सर्टिफिकेट्स मिल रहे हैं, उनको दे रहे हैं. जो जॉब जाना चाहते हैं तो उनके लिए सर्टिफिकेट्स की बहुत ज़रूरत थी, तो ये लोगों ने सर्टिफिकेट अरेंज किया हुआ है. चेकअप हो रहा है अंदर और सर्टिफिकेट्स दे रहे हैं हमें. तो इसके लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है. जिसने भी हमें यहाँ पे से निकालने के लिए हेल्प किया है उनके लिए सबसे बड़ा थैंक्स. हमारे मंगूर के लोगों के सामने से सबको थैंक्स.